How to Buy Litecoin, LTC. Intro. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or well-versed in digital currency, there might be a time when you would want to add Litecoin, LTC, to your holdings. Even though it's often referred to as the silver of Bitcoin, Litecoin is a completely separate entity from Bitcoin. Created by Charlie Lee in October 2011, Litecoin was one of the first cryptocurrencies to launch after Bitcoin. In today's episode, we're going to learn about what Litecoin is, what makes it unique, and finally, how you can buy Litecoin, LTC coins, on various crypto exchanges. But before we dive right into it, we're requesting for your support by subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell so that you can always get notified on any of our future video uploads. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. This is Litecoin, one of the oldest cryptocurrency projects in the crypto market. First developed from Bitcoin's open source code, Bitcoin Core, in 2011. The LTC, by abbreviation, is the project's native digital currency designed to improve upon the foundations of BTC with cheap payments and faster transaction speeds. Litecoin usually achieves this by having shorter block transactions of around 2.5 minutes instead of Bitcoin's 10 minutes, and using the script hashing algorithm, which is faster than the SHA-256 algorithm used in the mining of Bitcoin and many other proof-of-work blockchains. One of Litecoin's unique selling points is the prestige as being one of the oldest altcoins in the digital asset industry and has successfully survived more than a decade in the turbulent crypto market. Just like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Litecoin has become a staple of many people's crypto investment portfolio, thanks to its resilience and staying power. It's also widely renowned as a reliable platform that was one of the first blockchain networks to support scaling solutions like the Lightning Network and Segregated Witness, SegWit, to improve its fees, throughput, and speed. Because of this, many of us still find Litecoin as the best alternative form of payment. From just that brief knowledge Litecoin has, I'm very sure you should be salivating to have it in your wallets. Maybe you're a new guy in the crypto market, or you just want to have it in your wallet. This is the best place where we're going to show you how you can have it. Many of us could be having difficulties purchasing this token, but worry not. We're going to go through step-by-step process on how you can buy this native token. First of all, just to inform you, you can buy LTC with several different fiat currencies on a number of different crypto exchanges. Here are a few exchanges where you can exchange the US dollar for LTC. We have Kraken, Gemini, Coinbase, but luckily for you, we'll be looking deep into some of them that are very native to Litecoin, LTC. Step number one is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. You can always buy Litecoin directly through other payment apps such as Venmo and PayPal, or Litecoin-specific wallets such as Lite Wallet, a mobile app available through Google Play. If you're all digital at heart and want to use Litecoin for payments, you can likely get by with a payment app or a Litecoin-specific app that lets you buy and sell Litecoin. If you plan on using Litecoin as an investment, you'll probably do better by opening an account as a crypto exchange. You might also want to ensure that the crypto exchange you choose offers Litecoin, which won't be too difficult since it's a popular digital currency. To start with, Kraken, which for more than a decade of experience has established itself as a pillar of the crypto industry. Its simplicity, extensive security, and service sector have given it an upper hand to many cryptocurrency holders who love to trade with Litecoin. Definitely, you can buy Litecoin on Kraken with as little as $10, since each LTC is divisible into smaller units. While you don't need to execute large orders, Kraken's advanced price discovery and execution technology helps offer some of the best rates of any cryptocurrency exchange. In this case, your verification level determines what you can do with your Kraken account. This can be located by signing into your account, selecting your name in the upper right section of the screen, and then selecting Get Verified. You will then see highlighted your current pending or verified level. The next exchange you can use to get LTC tokens is Coinbase. Firstly, when it comes to buying crypto, there are a lot of factors that come into play, such as location and protocol. Please make sure that you have these in your fingertips. Fortunately, you can buy Litecoin on Coinbase's centralized exchange. It's quick, secure, and easy. You'll be required to create a Coinbase account by signing up or downloading the Coinbase app and start up the sign-up process. You'll need a valid ID in this case, and maybe you'll be asked for proof of address in order to transact, so be sure to have those ready. Verifying your ID may take longer than a few minutes depending on where you live. Next, you'll add a payment method. And to do this, you'll tap on one of the payment method boxes and connect the payment method. You can use a bank account, debit card, or initiate a wire. Then you should start a trade. We have two ways here. For those on the Coinbase website, you will select buy and sell, while those who have Coinbase app will tap the plus buy on the home tab. Next, after that, select Litecoin from a list of assets by clicking on the panel, and after that, select Litecoin from a list of assets by clicking on the buy panel to search and select Litecoin. If you're working on your app, search for Litecoin by tapping Litecoin into the search bar. When you see Litecoin appear in the result, tap it to open the purchase screen. Then you should enter the amount you want to buy. Use the number pad to input the amount you want to spend in your local currency. The app will automatically convert that into a Litecoin amount. You can tap the arrow buttons to the right of the amount of money you want to spend to switch the number to the equivalent amount of Litecoin. Then, finalize your purchase of Litecoin by tapping Preview Buy when ready. You'll then be shown details of your purchase. Make sure that everything looks good and then confirm your purchase by clicking Buy Now. Once the order processes, you'll be taken to the confirmation screen, and there you go. You have just bought your Litecoin tokens. It's that simple. So why don't you take bait and try this procedure? This takes us to our next and last step. Step number 2, storing your LTC. If you're new to crypto, you might not be used to having choices for where to store an asset. But don't worry, you have just bought your Litecoin. It should be an easy go for you since Litecoin has several choices. Most of the popular crypto exchanges have built-in digital wallets where you can store your Litecoin and other crypto purchases. Some folks prefer to store their crypto in a separate digital wallet that's not linked to the internet to help keep their crypto safe from hackers. While the major exchanges have insurance against hacking events and such, you might opt to store your Litecoin in one of these offline wallets. Here are some options for storing your LTC. Hardware wallets, which are common digital asset storage methods where hardware devices store the private keys to the owner's asset and allows them to interact with the wallet without exposing their data. These devices can connect to your PC, phone, or tablet to transact with LTC. A few hardware wallets that support LTC include Ledger, Treasure, and Bitbox. We also have paper wallets. For paper wallets, use a private key to send funds. For your paper wallet, simply print your private keys and recovery passphrases on a piece of paper and then store it for safekeeping. This is known as a cold wallet. And lastly, we have a desktop mobile wallet. Mobile and desktop wallets are typically considered as hot wallets, known for their ease of use. The only disadvantage about hot wallets is that they can be vulnerable to online attacks, so it's very important to research the reputation of the wallet where you plan to store your crypto. A few mobile wallets that allow you to use and store LTC include Edge, Mobi, and Exodus. We can't promise you greatness on Litecoin because cryptocurrency as an industry is generally risky. We can only advise you to keep your investment to a small amount of your net worth. Just like all cryptocurrencies, Litecoin can be a highly volatile asset, and experts are suggesting limiting your investment to just a small fraction of your net worth. Litecoin is a volatile cryptocurrency. Do not overinvest. So what have you learned so far? What do you think needs to be added here? Feel free to leave a suggestion in the comment section below, and we'll be ready to go through each and every one of them and give our feedback. With that, here marks the end of our video today. We hope you guys enjoyed watching and even learned something for the better part. Please remember to send those likes. Thanks for watching, and let's meet up in our next video.